is the famous Jonas Pares in Manila. Yan. Pasok tayo sa loob. We're coming in.
Hi sir, good morning po. Traipa.
Good morning. Yan, ganda.
Hi sir.
Good morning. Welcome to Jonas. Yan, meron silang mga...
Yan sir, may mga merch kami sir.
Yes, ganda. Yung mga siopaw. This is the way they do the siopaw. Yan, famous Pares.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Yan.
May hit.